The TikTok Creativity Program is making quite a splash these days. Currently in its beta phase, many people are using the program to rake in some serious cash every single day. Imagine making thousands of dollars from a single video. Sounds cool and amazing, right? If you check how much the TikTok Creativity Program pays, you'll find that they offer about $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. Not too shabby, considering TikTok's massive traffic. According to SimilarWeb, TikTok received approximately 2.3 billion visits just last month. That's a staggering amount of traffic. With such a large audience, your video could potentially garner thousands, if not millions, of views. This translates to hundreds, possibly thousands, of dollars from just one video if you're part of the TikTok Creativity Program. Pretty sweet deal, don't you think? Now, let's dive into the requirements for joining the TikTok Creativity Program. I'll also show you how to create simple videos and make money with the program. If you're familiar with the TikTok Creativity Program, you probably know that you need to generate original content that's at least 1 minute long. Once created, upload it to TikTok and start monetizing. To check your eligibility for the TikTok Creativity Program, here's what you need. 1. A US-based account, easily bypassed by having someone in the US create the account and then passing it over to you. 2. Alternatively, you can change your account location to the United States. The program is also available in other countries like Brazil and the United Kingdom. If your country isn't on the list, just find a way around it, like the aforementioned location change. You need to be at least 18 years old, but again, this is easily bypassed. Simply have someone over 18 create the account for you. Another requirement is having at least 10,000 followers. This might sound daunting compared to YouTube's requirement of 1,000 followers, which has recently been reduced to 500 subscribers, but gaining followers on TikTok is significantly easier. With the right content, you can easily hit 10,000 followers in about a month. Additionally, you need to have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. While this might seem like a lot, it's achievable if you're creating engaging videos on the platform. You can see that for regular YouTube subscribers, you need about 500 subscribers and 3 valid public uploads. You also need either 3,000 valid public watch hours, down from the previous 4,000, or 3 million valid public short views to be eligible for the YouTube Funds or the YouTube Creator Program. Now, this is for YouTube Shorts. Previously, you needed 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid watch hours, or 10 million public short views. Quite the marathon, right? But these days, it's a bit more manageable. Comparing this to TikTok, you might think TikTok's bar is set higher. In reality, it's easier to access, assuming you're not already in the TikTok Creator Fund. If you're eyeing the TikTok Creativity Program, you'll need to navigate your TikTok account, go to Settings, and find the TikTok Creator Fund. Once you click on it, you can switch to the Creativity Fund. But here's the kicker: once you jump ship from the Creator Fund to the Creativity Fund, there's no turning back. Think of it as a one-way street. The Creator Fund pays a measly 20 to 40 cents per 1,000 views, while the Creativity Fund pays a much juicier $2 to $4 per 1,000 views. That's a substantial difference, folks. But remember, once you switch, you can't go back. To make the switch, open the app, tap your profile, click on the Settings icon, navigate to Creator Tools, and select the Creativity Program. You'll find out within 3 days if your application is successful. Easy peasy, right? Just a heads up, to stay in the TikTok Creativity Program, you need to be in the United States. This is where a good VPN comes in handy, like ExpressVPN. It's reliable and can make it look like you're surfing from the good old US of A, ensuring you remain eligible for the program. So, gear up, switch to the Creativity Fund, and start raking in those extra dollars. Just remember, there's no going back. You could also try using a phone number or a SIM card from the United States. Yes, you heard me right. You might consider removing your regular SIM and swapping it for a US cell phone SIM card, which you can snag from eBay. If you manage to get your hands on one, you'll see that you can find a SIM card for as low as $5. Just keep scrolling, and you might spot others for $7 or even $3. It's quite the bargain, isn't it? You can buy a cheap SIM card from the US right now and use it on your mobile device so it reads as a US SIM card. Now, once you've done this, you can get started with the TikTok Creativity Program. To create outstanding videos that meet eligibility requirements, check out what's trending on TikTok and implement those strategies. I'm not saying you should copy exact videos, just the style. Think of it as inspiration borrowing. Maybe focus on something like Reddit videos. For those, you usually see a game playing in the background with a simple text or confession, and a voiceover narrating it. There are also subtitles for the voiceover. This is easy to do if you have access to such gameplay videos. To find these videos, head over to YouTube and search for Minecraft fast-paced copyright-free videos. You'll find plenty, like this one that's an hour and 20 minutes long. Download it using a tool like SF Online YouTube Downloader. Once downloaded, crop the video with a video editing tool like CapCut. Add captions using CapCut as well. For voiceovers, gather content from platforms like Reddit or ChatGPT. If you're in the finance, make money online, or health niche, ask ChatGPT to generate some short motivational messages. Copy these messages into an AI tool like 11 Labs, paste the content, click Generate, and voila, it's converted into a voiceover. Download the voiceover, merge it with the YouTube video in CapCut, add captions, and you're good to go. Head back to TikTok, upload your creation, and start making money through the TikTok creativity program. It's that simple. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video. Goodbye.